Welcome to Goenkan's Your English class, week 14, day 2. In today's class, we are going to learn about future tenses. Before we start on the future tenses, let us all recall the tenses that we have already done in our previous classes. What are tenses? Tenses of verb tells us when action is taken place. It tells us about the time of action. Tenses tells us about the time of action. And we have three types of tenses. Three types: present, past, and future. Present tells us about the action that is happening now. So whatever is happening now is in present tense. Past tense tells us what has already happened. What has already happened. And future will tell us what will happen. What will happen in future? What is going to happen? Very good. Now let's start with the future tense. In future tense, we are going to learn about will and going to verbs. Going to. So future tense tells us about the actions that are going to happen. That are going to happen. Like in future, what is going to happen tomorrow? What is going to happen day after tomorrow? Next month, next year. So future tense. So it tells us about what's going to happen in our life. What's going to happen in our life in coming days. Okay. You can see examples here. I will see you tomorrow. This is an example. It says, I will see you tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm going to see you. So in future, tomorrow. Next example, I will eat my lunch later. So I'll eat my lunch later. Third one, we will come from school in the afternoon. So all three examples you can see here, we are talking about future. What is going to happen? One, I'm going to see you tomorrow. Second, I'm going to have my lunch later. And third, we will come from the school in the afternoon. So it's going to happen. Very good. Future tense we also use when we talk about our plans. When we talk about our plans, we use future tense. Here you can see some examples. I'm going to my uncle's place this weekend. So I'm telling you my plans about the weekend. Weekend means Saturday, Sunday. So I'm going to my uncle's in weekend. That's my plan. I'm going to. Going to is a future. We're talking about our future. Second, we are going to watch movie on Sunday. Third, he's going for a swimming this afternoon. So those are just the plans. You can see all three examples. We are talking about our plans. And when we talk about our plans, we use future tense. Here we have used going to in every sentence. Very good. We have some more examples that will clear the confusion here. You can see some more examples of going to and will. I'll read the examples for you. I'm going to buy a new pencil box. This is my plan. I'm going to buy. I have not done it. I'm not doing it. I am going to. So I'm talking about my plans. I'm going to buy a new pencil box. Rohan is going to have pasta for dinner. So Rohan's plan is to have pasta in dinner. He's going to paint a picture. He's going to plant a tree. So all those going to, you can see examples we are talking about our plans. What is everybody wants to do in future. Now will. Bill will join swimming classes this summer. I will get a glass of water for you. She will help me with my homework. My mother will take us on vacation next week. Here you can also see we are only talking about future. What is everybody wants to do and what are they going to do in future. So finally, in future tense we are talking about our future. What is going to happen with us in future? What are we going to do in future? So this was all for today. I will see you in next class. Till then, everybody stay safe and take care.